Hello.
Good morning, Teresa. This is Ellie. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
My pleasure to connect with you. I'm calling you because you registered in our website. You requested a cash offer on the property.
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. So I'm calling you back, right? I'd like to connect with you, get a little bit more of information. It's a good time to talk.
Oh, yes.
Amazing, amazing. All right. How much are you gonna be asking for this property?
We would like to get at least 300,000, but we're willing to go as low as like 275.
All right. So you want to leave bottom line 275. What you got going on with this property?
It's a 3 bedroom. It's originally listed as a four bedroom, but the fourth bedroom was turned into a laundry room. It's got new floors in the living room, kitchen, hallway, and bathroom. New bathroom, shower. New. The ceiling's only like 7 years old. New septic tank. Carpet in the bedrooms do need to come up. They're pretty nasty, but and the AC unit is old, but it works.
Okay. And why is it that you want to sell this property?
We want to move to Tennessee, and we're hoping to be able to, whatever we get out of the house, buy something in Tennessee because we're looking at prices and stuff, and Tennessee's a lot cheaper than Florida.
Oh, that's true. That's a fact. Tennessee is cheaper in all of the sense. But where in Tennessee you're going to? Because there's some parts of Tennessee that are also crazy, like Florida.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm originally from Tennessee, so
Oh, really?
yeah, we're looking at like the Millington, Covington, Brighton, Arlington, Madison, around in those areas.
Okay, now that makes sense. Yeah, that's gonna be more calm. And is that not gonna affect you with your job, or are you already retired?
Yeah, I'm already retired. My husband is got a company there that he can actually work for, and then my son, who's going to be coming with us, and his wife, she doesn't work, but he works for Walmart, so he can transfer
Oh,
wherever.
well, that's amazing. So it looks like you guys really are intentional about moving.
Oh yeah, we'd like to do it within, at the latest 3 months, earliest probably 2 months.
Okay. So I'm checking right now what is going on in the market in the area where your house is. Just give me 1 minute.
No problem.
So you were saying that the property has recent improvements, right? When was the last time you
Yes,
guys made improvements in the house?
just like a couple years ago, the flooring was done. There was a new septic tank put in just a couple years ago. The roof was done, like I said, I believe around 7 years ago. Might have been sooner than that. My husband would know better, more about that because I don't usually deal with that stuff.
Gotcha.
And this is
Alright.
definitely an up and coming neighborhood. The lot next to us is a smaller house than us, and then the lot next to that one has an $850,000 home going up on it. So it's like people are just buying the land, bulldozing houses, and building brand new houses on them.
Gotcha. So would you say that probably 5 years ago you guys did some improvements, right? So you know that we are cash buyers. We don't work with realtors. I mean, we have realtors in the office too because they help us out when probably we're not the best situation at some point. But we work with cash, which means we pay closing costs. You would save money on closing costs, no realtor commissions. If we offer you an offer like that, what would be like the best you can do for me?
I think the lowest we all want to go is like 275.
Okay. So let's do something because right now I only can see a few properties that have sold, but I really will need to see the condition of the house because we buy houses sometimes to flip them, sometimes to have them for rent. So I need to make sure that we can be the right buyer for you. Um,
Okay.
to finalize an offer. I'm gonna have my partner Puchon to go today. I'm gonna
Okay.
tell him that it's important, and we can go from there. Because if
Okay.
numbers work, I love to start working with you as soon as possible. That way you don't have to wait. We're not gonna try to lowball you. We're very honest people, Teresa. Like if we can make it at the price that you want, we will be honest to you and be like, look, the numbers make sense. Let's do it. Or I would tell you, look, I may need you to help me a little bit more on the pricing. But if there's no necessity, we're not gonna come to you and try to beat you down because I respect people and we believe in making it work and still be fair to the people. Okay?
Oh, that sounds great.
Awesome. So my partner Puchon, his name is Puchon, he is local. He should be already in the area because he's gonna go see some properties in the afternoon. I'm gonna ask him to go at 6 p.m. to your house. He may call you or text you. So if you see your
Okay.
phone number calling you, just say, "Hey, yeah, Ellie told me that you were gonna call. Just go by, okay?"
Okay. No problem.
God bless you, Teresa. Hopefully, we can help you get to Tennessee as soon as possible.
I hope so too. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
God bless you.